When it comes to decorating your home, trends come and go, but some styles stand the test of time. Timeless home decor is about creating a space that remains elegant and stylish, regardless of fleeting fads. If you're looking to design a home with enduring appeal, here are some classic ideas to inspire you. A neutral color palette is a hallmark of timeless decor, offering a versatile and sophisticated foundation for any room. Shades such as white, beige, gray, and soft pastels create a calming atmosphere that fosters relaxation and balance. These muted tones not only provide a serene backdrop, but also make it easy to refresh the space by incorporating vibrant accessories or textures, giving you the freedom to update your decor with minimal effort. Moreover, neutral colors have the unique ability to make rooms feel more spacious and open, enhancing the overall ambience and creating a sense of tranquility. Whether in the living room, bedroom, or any other area of your home, a neutral color palette effortlessly elevates your space, making it feel inviting and harmonious. Quality over quantity is a guiding principle when it comes to creating a timeless and refined home. By choosing high-quality furniture and decor pieces, you invest in items that will stand the test of time both in durability and style. Opt for well-crafted pieces made from materials like solid wood, leather, and natural fabrics, which not only offer longevity, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. These materials develop a unique character over time, adding a sense of sophistication and warmth to your home. Rather than filling your space with numerous items, focus on a select few that are built to last and elevate the atmosphere with their craftsmanship and enduring appeal. This approach creates a more meaningful, curated environment that transcends fleeting trends and reflects your commitment to quality living. Choose furniture with classic silhouettes and clean lines. Iconic pieces like Chesterfield sofas, wingback chairs, and pedestal tables never go out of style. These timeless designs blend seamlessly with various decor themes and provide a solid foundation for your space. Classic furniture styles are a cornerstone of enduring interior design. When selecting pieces for your home, opt for furniture with classic silhouettes and clean lines that exude elegance and sophistication. Iconic items such as Chesterfield sofas, wingback chairs, and pedestal tables have stood the test of time, remaining stylish and relevant across generations. These timeless designs offer both form and function, blending seamlessly with a variety of decor themes from traditional to modern. By incorporating such pieces into your space, you create a solid foundation that not only enhances the overall aesthetic, but also ensures lasting appeal. Classic furniture styles are versatile, offering a sense of stability and refinement that effortlessly complements any room, creating an atmosphere of timeless beauty and comfort. Symmetry and balance are key principles in achieving a timeless and harmonious decor. By arranging furniture and accessories in balanced pairs or groups, you create a sense of order and tranquility within your space. Symmetry provides visual stability and helps guide the eye, making the room feel cohesive and thoughtfully designed. This approach can be applied to a variety of elements, from the placement of sofas and chairs to the arrangement of artwork and decorative items. For instance, placing matching lamps on either side of a sofa or aligning artwork evenly along a wall creates a pleasing and orderly atmosphere. When applied thoughtfully, symmetry enhances the overall ambience of a room, adding a sense of calm and elegance that never goes out of style. Incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, and linen into your home adds warmth, texture, and an organic beauty that enhances the timeless appeal of your space. These elements not only connect your interiors to nature, but also create an inviting and soothing atmosphere. Wooden floors, with their rich grain and natural tones, provide a grounded, enduring foundation, while marble countertops add a touch of luxury and elegance. Cotton and wool textiles bring softness and comfort to furniture and accessories, offering tactile richness to your decor. By embracing natural materials, you create a harmonious environment that feels both authentic and enduring, with a sense of tranquility that will last for years to come. These materials effortlessly blend with a variety of styles, making them a versatile and lasting choice for any home. Less is often more when it comes to timeless decor. A minimalist approach focuses on functionality and simplicity, avoiding clutter and overly ornate details. By choosing a few statement pieces and keeping the overall design clean and uncluttered, you can create a serene and enduring space. A minimalist approach is a powerful way to achieve timeless decor, where the concept of less is more takes center stage. This style emphasizes functionality, simplicity, and clean lines, stripping away excess and avoiding clutter or overly ornate details. By focusing on a few carefully chosen statement pieces and maintaining an uncluttered design, you create a serene and balanced space that feels open and calming. The beauty of minimalism lies in its ability to highlight the essentials, allowing each piece to stand out while contributing to the overall harmony of the room. This approach fosters an enduring aesthetic, free from fleeting trends, and creates a space that remains sophisticated and timeless for years to come. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the tone of a room. Timeless decor often features statement lighting fixtures that are both functional and decorative. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and classic table lamps in materials like brass, glass, and crystal add elegance and charm. Statement lighting is a key element in timeless decor, as it not only serves a functional purpose, but also acts as a striking decorative feature. Lighting has the power to transform the ambience of a room, and well-chosen fixtures can elevate the space while providing essential illumination. Timeless designs often incorporate statement lighting pieces such as elegant chandeliers, sleek pendant lights, and classic table lamps made from materials like brass, glass, and crystal. These materials add sophistication and charm, creating focal points that draw the eye while enhancing the overall aesthetic. By carefully selecting lighting fixtures that combine beauty and utility, you can set the perfect tone for any room, adding both warmth and visual interest in a way that remains stylish for years to come. Select artwork and accessories that reflect your personal taste and of lasting appeal. Black and white photography, abstract paintings, and sculptures can add depth and character to your space. Avoid overly trendy pieces and opt for those with a classic or sentimental value. Artwork and accessories play an important role in giving your home a unique and personalized touch while contributing to its timeless aesthetic. When selecting these elements, choose pieces that resonate with your personal taste and of lasting appeal. Black and white photography, abstract paintings, and sculptures are excellent options, as they add depth, character, and visual interest to your space without overwhelming it. Avoid overly trendy pieces that may quickly feel outdated, and instead opt for artwork and accessories that carry a sense of classic elegance or sentimental value. These thoughtfully chosen items will not only enhance the overall atmosphere of your home, but also reflect your style in a way that endures, creating a meaningful and harmonious environment for years to come. Built-in storage solutions are a smart and stylish way to enhance both the functionality and timeless appeal of your home. Custom cabinetry, bookshelves, and window seats with hidden storage offer practical ways to keep your space organized and clutter-free, all while contributing to the overall design. These integrated features blend seamlessly into the architecture of your home, providing clean lines and a sense of sophistication. By incorporating built-in storage, you not only maximize space, but also add architectural interest that elevates the room's aesthetic. Whether used to store books, display decor, or keep everyday items out of sight, built-in storage ensures a tidy, functional environment while maintaining a refined, enduring style that will last for years. Incorporating greenery and fresh flowers into your decor is an effortless way to breathe life and vibrancy into your home. House plants, with their lush leaves and floral arrangements with their delicate beauty, bring natural color, texture, and a sense of vitality to any room. These elements create a refreshing connection to nature, adding an organic touch that complements timeless design. Whether displayed in elegant vases or as part of a larger arrangement, greenery and flowers infuse your space with a sense of warmth and tranquility. They not only enhance the visual appeal of your decor, but also promote a peaceful and inviting atmosphere, making them a perfect addition to a home that values both timeless style and the calming influence of nature. Creating a timeless home is about focusing on the essentials: quality, simplicity, and classic design elements that stand the test of time. By carefully selecting durable materials, embracing clean lines, and incorporating pieces that have lasting appeal, you can cultivate a space that exudes elegance and sophistication. Timeless decor ideas, such as neutral color palettes, statement lighting, and built-in storage, work together to create a balanced, harmonious environment that never feels outdated. This approach ensures that your home remains beautiful, functional, and comfortable, offering a sense of warmth and style that will continue to inspire for years to come. A timeless home is not just about trends, it's about creating a space that feels enduring and uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.